In the Opportunities module, you can view all the customer inquiries. Opportunities can be either created manually or automatically. The new inquiry is created automatically when you receive an inquiry from your web booking engine. So your customers can send an inquiry for a specific package by clicking here, fill in the required information, and click Send. So a new inquiry will appear in the Opportunities module, and also a new contact will appear in the Contacts module. The manually created opportunities can be either based on existing package or a custom-made opportunity. If it's existing package, you will have to choose the desired package here, type in the name of the package, select the number of passengers. For the customer, you can create a new customer directly from here, and you can also choose existing customer, but you can also send the B2B offers, and in that case you will choose here account contact and then choose a specific contact that you want to send this offer. You will also have to enter the start date. It can be either assigned to you or you can assign it to your colleague. Choose the source, which is where the inquiry came from, currency, and then click Save. For a custom one, you will have to choose the destination. Usually you can just put the first destination. You can add a new or use the existing one. I will open already created opportunity to show you how it looks like. So this opportunity was created manually, as you can see here. The opportunities module shares the same itinerary builder features as the packages module. So you can see here, you also have details, route planner, and itinerary. In the details, you can add your products. You can either edit the existing one or remove. In the route planner, you can add your destinations and the transportation. And in itinerary, you can get a detailed view of all the items. Also in the details, you can edit or add descriptions, what's included, what's not included, photos for the trip. You can also edit payment and cancellation terms. You can edit the existing ones, or you can choose from the available ones that you've already entered in the policies module. So this suggested minimum amount is actually what the system recommends, and it's based on a dynamic calculation of all payment and cancellation terms of all items. You can also edit manipulative cost and margin and add preparation fee. And you will have to choose the date until this trip offer is valid. Usually the system sets this date 7 days after the date of the inquiry. Here under PAX details, you can edit the information about your customers. You can choose whether the passenger is a lead passenger. You can also give access to this offer that you're going to send later. If you are satisfied with your offer, before sending it to your client, you can check the availability of each item, or you can do this later before the customer is ready to book the trip. But all of these items, you will have to check the availability and then change the status here. Now, when you want to send this offer to the customer, you click Send, and the customer will receive an email with a link where he can access the offers. So this is how it looks like. This is a traveler side, as we call it. The traveler can check his offer. He can check all the details, photos, all the items and check the details for each item. The customer can also edit here the information about the other passengers. He can check the payment and cancellation terms. And also, the customer can communicate with the agent through chat, and he can comment on each item, so it's easier to keep track of the comments and the messages. So all these messages will be visible by the agent too. So of course, they can both communicate in this chat. If the customer is satisfied with this offer, he can continue to book and pay for the trip. So to pay and book the trip, you will have to enter some inquired information about all the travelers, and he will have to choose whether he wants to pay the full price or just the down payment. When click here, pay and confirm the booking, he can continue to pay for the trip. And it will look like this. So after the customer paid for the trip, when the payment has been fully paid, he can also download the vouchers. Let me show you how they look like. So this is the trip that's been fully paid, and this customer can download the vouchers. So this is how the vouchers look like. With all the required information that you entered before for each item, the agency info, and the customer info, the lead passenger. Also, you can enter the payment manually. You can do it here by clicking on confirm. You will type in the type of the payment. Let's say you receive the payment by bank transfer. You will type in the amount, reference number, and the payment date. You click save. The status of the trip will change to down payment received. You can also add some extra charge if your trip is already been fully paid or partially paid. You can add some extra charge, and the customer can also pay for that. You will add it here under charges. You click add. You can write your amount, choose the payment date, due date, description, and click save. And now your customer will also see this charge that you've added.